What's up, my lifers? How are we? Welcome back to another day's journey in the world with your girl, Angie, in real life. This video is a special request by one of Air members, so I've decided to record it. In this video, we are making potato salad, homemade potato salad, my mom's recipe. Here in this one container, we have I peeled, diced, and boiled 7 potatoes. I season my water with salt, pepper. Then I have some boiled eggs, diced onions. The key to potato salad is the eggs. The more eggs, the better the potato salad. I use French's mustard, not a lot, just a couple squirts, maybe a teaspoon. Molasses, sweet relish. You can use whatever sweet relish you desire. I just got whatever was on sale. Miracle Whip, and more Miracle Whip. Whenever I make a salad, I always use Miracle Whip salad dressing. And then we top it with some celery seeds, guys. This bowl is what I have for mixing. So what I generally do is I will mix of course I'm putting on gloves because I'm going to mix with my hands, and my husband and I are eating this, and I'm planning to give one of my little cousins some. So it's not just for me, so I am putting on gloves. In this bowl, I mix boiled eggs along with the diced onions. You can put as many onions in your potato salad as you choose, but me, I like the onion flavor, but I don't want like oniony potato salad. So just enough for the flavor. So at this point, I mix the onions and the eggs together. Then I add the Miracle Whip. That's probably like maybe a half cup or maybe a cup. It depends. Because I didn't have a lot of potatoes. Again, I only used 7 potatoes. So I don't want it to be like extra juicy. So at this point, I think I'm getting a spoon. So I took my Miracle Whip, and like I said, it's probably a cup. I'll say by maybe a cup and a quarter of cup, or maybe a cup and a half, possibly 2 cups. But I think it's not more than a cup, maybe a cup and a half. We'll go with a cup and a half. Y'all know we eyeball stuff. We don't really use measurements. But for technical reasons, we'll give measurements. Again, sweet relish. Some people use regular pickle cubes and a squirt or so of the French's mustard. I prefer French's mustard over any other brand. That's just my preference. And of course, you're going to mix all that lovely goodness, and more goodness. Yo, my mom made the best potato salad. I'm telling you, I promise. My husband was bugging me, y'all. He wanted a paper towel. So, you mix your wet ingredients together. And when I make any salad, I do it this way too. I mix all that my things together, like the eggs and onions and relish and all that, like I just did normally with most salads that I made. I've made chicken salad, and I also have a tuna fish macaroni salad if you guys are interested on how to make either one of those. But they kind of like all are made the same way. The eggs and my tuna as well. So you want to make sure that's mixed up really good. And you're going to notice that I didn't really season my potatoes before I added it. Those potatoes are cold. They were in the refrigerator. Because I seasoned my potatoes very well. So my potatoes had a lot of seasoning on them. So I really didn't have to add any salt and pepper. And then look, when you mix it up with your hands, I promise you, it makes it better. And the salad is coming together. Yes, and yes. One thing I didn't do with this salad is I didn't add sugar. Now, when I add sugar, I don't add enough sugar to make it sweet. I just add enough sugar just to offset the tang of the mustard. But I didn't do that this time. But just mix it all up. Make sure your eggs and all that stuff is mixed in with your potatoes. When you cook your potatoes, you don't want them overcooked. You want to cook them almost just right. I almost overcooked those potatoes, but just in case you overcook them, it's okay. Some people just cut their potatoes in chunks. I slice, peel, and dice mine. Celery seeds, yummy, yum, and yum. So I just add the celery seed in, mix some more. My mom used to tell me about a lady that taught her how to make potato salad, and I think my mom's potato salad won a contest. Her home ec teacher, if I remember properly. But like I said, her potato salad is the bomb. People love it. Most people that are down south make their potato salad this way. But we've learned the key to good potato salad is eggs. Y'all got it? The key to good potato salad is eggs. If you don't believe me, try it. This is 7 potatoes and 6 eggs. We get ready to sample it. Yummy, yummy, and yummy. And to be honest, guys, it was perfect. I really, truly didn't need to add anything else. It was perfect. It tastes just like my mom. One thing about preparing my mom recipes is that I feel so close to her. Remind me of Thanksgivings and Christmases, and when she was in the kitchen cooking, and how I'll be sitting there and she'd be like, Angie, come taste this and see if this tastes right, or come taste this and see how this tastes. So whenever I make home cooked meals like this, it reminds me of my grandmother and my mother. So it brings my heart much joy to be able to share this recipe with you guys. And this is a members only video. Guys, I've never made sweet potato pie, so I'm going to try my hand at sweet potato pie. So guys, keep an eye out for that coming. I have my grandmom's recipe, in which my mother also mastered, and then my husband's auntie and mom had a recipe. So I'm going to try both of those recipes and see how they turn out. But I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy watching me create this potato salad. Make it yourself and let me know how it turns out. It was really, really good. I'm telling you, it was like perfect on the first try. And I mentioned earlier that I was going to give my little cousin some. She had posted put a post on Facebook a few weeks ago of how she missed my mom, and how she wished she could have her potato salad. So yes. And how she missed my mom's potato salad. So I got a small mason jar and packed some in for her and took it to her on Sunday, and she told me that she almost cried when she ate it. Whenever mom made potato salad, she would call her and tell her to come over and bring her bowl. I added a little bit more relish, not that it needed it. Not that it needed it. I was missing like that sugar taste a little bit, but yeah, it was good. I enjoyed it. My husband enjoyed it. This went along with my Sunday dinner, which included barbecue ribs, macaroni and cheese, of course, potato salad. We had fried cabbage and honey cornbread. So it was very good, guys. And of course, if you're going to serve this to your family or friends or whatever, you want to make it nice and neat and pack it down the bowl. Sometimes, guys, I boil extra eggs and just cut them in half, more like a garnish, and put them on top. But yes, I'm cleaning it up. Clean it up real good. Y'all, I always forget to move my dish rag. I hate it when my dish rag is in the video, but sometimes I just can't help it, because you know you try to clean as you go. And if you can see in that far back corner, my chopper, I love that chopper. So you guys try this recipe and let me know how you like it, or let me know how you make your potato salad. If there's any other recipes that you guys would like for me to try, just let me know. And if you want to sponsor a recipe, just let me know. You can cash at me at hashtag Angie in real life, the ingredients, the amount for the ingredients and the recipe, and we will definitely put it to the test. And that is your finished, almost your finished results. Normally I would top it off with some paprika, but you guys, I was fresh out of paprika, couldn't find any in the cabinet, so I settled for my infamous new air seasoned staple. I think I saw another content creator use it, and I've been hooked on it ever since. Dun, 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 dun. That peat dust is everything. I put it on top of macaroni and cheese. I put it on top of deviled eggs, just as if I am using paprika. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yes, if you use a lot, it is kind of spicy. But if you use just enough, it gives your food just that twang, that vinegary base kind of twang. You guys gotta try it. I purchased that at Food Lion, and I think it was about $8. And like I said, it's a new air season staples. So you guys, again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to anyone and everyone you know about what's going on in the world with your girl Angie in real life. Thank you guys so much, and there you are, topped with the magnificent peat dust. Yes, it was everything, y'all. It was so good. I promise y'all, it was delicious. It felt so much like home. Alright guys, until the next video, don't forget, what you make happen for others, gotta make happen for you. One planet, one water, but it is the Almighty God that gives the increase. Better life, better living. So guess what, y'all? Remember to live, baby, live. And there are your ingredients: boiled eggs, onions, potatoes, yellow mustard, celery seed, Velacet sweet pickle relish, Miracle Whip, and a sprinkle of Texas peat dust. There you go, guys. Toodles. That's my time, y'all. That's it, and that's all.